Okay, rather stupidly, I did these little tests and I thought I pressed record and hadn't. So they're okay. It wasn't what I wanted, but do you know what? I'm just going to take the plunge and do a big canvas. There it is. There. The white base is, as you can see, Floetrol, GAC and water. Obviously paint in there as well, but I have had that mixed up for about 6 months, so I'm just using it up. Yeah, so I'll set the camera up and hopefully I'll do a bit of a better job than these, but we'll see. Right, okay, so I'm just going to pour it down the side. Use all of these up, I think. I quite like negative space, so actually if there is negative space, I'm not worried. I'm not, do you know, I can't be done with being so precise about how much paint you need to cover a canvas and weighing it all out. I probably should do. Oh, nearly went. Nearly went. Do I want to put gold in as well? Let's put a bit of gold in next to the black. Just one lot of gold, I think. Put that over there. More white. Some more black. Oh, black's gone now. So tonight is, what is it? It's Wednesday. I don't normally paint on a Wednesday. Oh, what is that? No, it's a lump. I don't normally paint on a Wednesday. I normally paint on a Monday, but I was not in the right frame of mind after work. That's why I'm doing it tonight. Right, I think I've got enough paint here. Let's just put that gold in. And let's just use that white up. Okay. Hopefully this is going to be a barely there pour. Straight pour. Jiggle it, wiggle it. Straight, jiggle, wiggle. Whatever. not going to stick, aren't they? No, my luck. Said before, I'm really messy. Okay. Ooh, cappuccino. My daughter works, she's at university. She works at a very well-known coffee chain. And she makes the most amazing patterns on top of coffees. And I thought, oh, when she's home from university, I must try and get her to have a go doing this and actually teach me a technique with paint. She'd probably tell me, don't be so silly, mother, you can't do that. So I'm just moving the paint around, feeling the weight of the paint back to the centre. Go over there. Actually, it's quite heavy. Here, back to the centre. I'll come this way actually. Oh, I actually quite like this. Sorry you can't see it. Don't think I'm going to get any negative space. Might do up in that corner. Oh, I think I will. Let's go back to the centre. Quite pleased to put the gold in actually. Just gives it a different dimension. Back to the centre. I didn't really want any cells. I think I'm going to get them. Oh, I quite like what's going on here in the middle. Try and open that out a little bit more. Oh, I don't like it when it goes all jiggly. Just want to open this bit up here. Let's go that way, slowly. Slowly. Slowly, slowly. That's better. Ooh, let's try and... When to stop? I never know when to stop. I think I'm going to stop there. Oh, let's do the sides. I always look at the paint off the canvas because I love making jewellery. And there's certainly a lot of paint down there. Right, I'll give it a quick torch and then do some close-ups. Go. This is my first, apart from the two little ones that you see over there as tests. This is my first straight jiggle wiggle pour. I don't know what you call it, but I'm calling it a jiggle wiggle. Maybe a few more attempts, I'll get a bit better. I quite like what's going on down here. A few cells popping up. Still not exactly barely there. Still would have liked more white, but I don't want to stretch it out anymore. But yeah. I've not used the Liquadex Pouring Medium before, so I've no idea how long this is going to take to dry. So yeah, stay tuned for the dried result. Thanks for watching. So here we are with dried results. This is the first one, and you can see, as with the others, I've added a few bands of gold. And with this one, I've also embellished it. It just needed a little bit of touching up. I've added gold in there. Where the paint was shrinking away from the background, I've touched all that up. So all is not lost sometimes. Yeah, I like this. My neighbour popped in and fell in love with this, so that's really good. It's got a black frame put on it, and it's going to sit in the middle of the other two up in this blank wall. So there's some cool things happening in this. It's a nice bit there. So thank you for watching. Bye.